Okay, we'll figure all of it out here in a second, okay? End of the day, I'm not trying to take you to jail.
Boss man.
Okay, I just gotta figure everything out. We'll talk about some stuff, okay?
Yes,
go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me. Stop. Get to the ground. Don't try to take off running, dude. I'm not gonna run on you. You just tried.
On March 13th, 2025, at 1:49 a.m., Officer Murphy pulled over a driver named Randy for swerving, but the stop completely shifted when an open container admission opened the door to a full vehicle search.
Hello, sir. I'm Officer Murphy of Moline. The reason why I'm stopping you is you swerved into oncoming lanes a couple times. You're kind of swerving in between different lanes.
I ain't mean to do that.
Okay. And then like when you turned that corner, like you almost clipped me because you came into like my lane.
I saw you.
Yeah. You have your insurance?
Yeah, I ain't from out here. You see, I'm using my map as I'm going on. Okay. I'm going to fuck with a bitch.
Okay, I got
I'm going to fuck with a bitch or whatever.
Do you have a driver's license proof of insurance?
Nah, I don't got it. I live up the street. My insurance and all that shit. It's in my other bag. I live up the street though. Every police officer out here know me.
Okay.
I don't got my registration. I got my insurance though.
Okay. You said you don't have your driver's license on you?
Nah, I got them though. I'm valid though.
Where are you from?
Chicago. I've been down here like 5-6 months.
Would you mind just rolling this back window? Your tint's just so dark I can't see
the dark as hell. Yeah. So what I got arrested now for you for?
I just want to make sure there's no one in the back seat.
Ain't nobody back there.
No big deal. Okay. What's your first name?
Randy. R-A-N-D-Y. I'm trying to find this for you, man. I got you. 1 second.
All right, Mr. Can you step out for me?
For what?
We're going to have a conversation out here about the open container.
For what?
Okay, because there's an open container in your car. Okay, so I'm telling you to step out. All right, I'll pat you down, make sure you have no weapons.
That's cool, that's cool, okay. That's cool. All right,
What's this in your pocket?
I don't know, let me see.
Can I reach in there and grab it?
No, let me see first.
Okay, well, I'm not going to let you reach in there.
Just keep your hands up, man.
Is it just the keys? I can't tell what it
probably
is.
Probably, yeah. It probably some no problem.
That's a nice whip, man.
You want to drive it? Drive it.
Go fast.
All right, hey, so since there's an open container, it's going to give me probable cause to search your car for other open containers.
You do your thing.
Okay.
I don't know about the car. Hey, can I put my shit in my pocket without y'all?
Yep, you're good.
It's peaceful.
What?
How you do that?
What do you mean? How did I pop it?
Shit. I've been out here like 9 months.
That's kind of a cool pop, though. I'm not gonna lie.
It is peaceful. It is. Take my time, do.
Have you ever been arrested before?
A million times, man.
For what?
Probably weed, goofy ass, miscellaneous ass, shit like that.
Do you have a FOID card?
Nah, I don't.
Okay. Tell you what, right now I'm just gonna detain you.
For what?
Okay.
No gun enough.
There is. Okay, we'll figure all of it out here in a second, okay? End of the day, I'm not trying to take you to jail.
Boss man.
Okay, I just gotta figure everything out. We'll talk about some stuff, okay?
Yes,
go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me. Stop. Get to the ground. Don't try to take off running, dude. I'm not gonna run. You just tried to.
Stop. All right, let me up, man.
No.
I'm done. All right, whatever. Let me up, bro.
Slow down.
I'm fine, bro.
Why'd you try to run, dude? That's just dumb. There's a gun in the back. Try running.
Stop.
Check. There's something in the pants pocket. We can send him over first.
There's a police over there. Alright, take my shoes off? You want to take them off?
We're okay right now. I'll come talk to you in a second, okay?
Alright.
Murph, are you running for felonies?
Nothing in there. Just feels like it's loaded. Can you grab me another bag? Oh, boys. Oh, boys. We might just hit the jackpot, baby. Ooh.
There's a whole lot of something back there.
Oh, wow. That's a ton of coke.
You guys, there's so much, you can smell the coke, it's that strong.
He's also drunk.
The search hit a massive jackpot when police uncovered 361 grams of cocaine alongside a high-capacity drum magazine and hundreds of rounds of ammo, ending in Randy being hit with armed habitual criminal charges.
Y'all put this seatbelt on me for me, huh?
We got to, man. Yeah.
That's goofy. That's why I shouldn't even...
But, I mean, dude has at least a half a pound of coke. And...
Man, cool with y'all ass, man.
thousand, like a couple hundred rounds of ammunition, a drum. There's a Glock gun case, but no Glock.
He was messing around back there a lot. Back of the squad? Yeah.
You gonna step out for me, boss?
Why is his handcuffs up front?
Why'd you move your handcuffs out front?
Why is your pants undone?
Come on, don't do it.
Man, what the f you gonna do, man?
What's wrong with you, man? What's wrong with you? I'm being cool with you.
Nah, you ain't being cool with me. You done?
No.
Oh, shut the f up. You done? Stop pushing me, man.
Randy, just have a seat, bud.
Alright, stop pushing me, man, bro. Don't ever push me, bro.
Please have a seat, man.
What's wrong with you?
Can you please have a seat for us?
I will, sir.
All right.
Okay, let's go.
Don't do all that goofy ass shit. You must be a rookie, man. You goofy ass, man.
Can you put your feet in for me?
I ain't got no problem with it, bro.
All right, I appreciate
You must
it.
be a rookie or something, man. Get your goofy ass out of here, man.
All right.
Will I be able to see the judge tomorrow or not?
Right now, we're just gonna take you to the police department where you're gonna be interviewed by a detective, okay?
You know what time?
I don't.
When they give me a phone call, and
Okay, when we get there, you'll get some phone calls.
I appreciate it, man.
Hang on, I gotta take the seatbelt off of you.
Sorry, y'all. Hold on, bro. Hold on.
Stuck?
Yeah.
So bend
So try to.
Pull it. Wait. Go. Wait. No. Ain't gonna work like that.
He got himself stuck trying to slip his cuffs in the front
I
again.
go in there. Take this off.
down. Bro, you're going like that now.
Alright, take this off.
Okay, let's go. How did you do this?
It's gonna be a fucking six consider. I don't know what the fuck it is. I'm gonna make your day a hard day like mine is. Y'all lucky y'all coming with that shit. Well, I'll never call slippers.
Stand up. You can't get to us when you sit down like that.
He got himself.
Take one of them off.
2 sets of cuffs on me?
Yeah, just grab the other one, remember?
What's wrong with you, man? You lucky you caught me.
All right.
Just front cup.
Yeah, I ain't on a goof ass shit, man. Wow, shit. We don't want that
Upstairs.
You slide your shoes off for now.
Alright, slide it off. Take my shit off. Take them off.
All right, sit down. I'll take them off.
You're not taking shit off me, man.
Slide the shoes off. Just slide.
Stop. Nobody's trying to get you at you, man.
No.
What is it?
I talk to you, big dog. Get the f out of my face.
Take the shoes off.
I'm telling you no. I talk to you, please.
What's the problem with the shoes?
Bro, get out of my face, man.
He's not
You
anything.
guys check the shoes? Okay, you gotta take the shoes off.
I'm gonna talk to
You
him.
have to check your shoes
I'm
before
gonna talk to him.
Then talk to me. I'm right here.
I'm gonna catch another charge
Look
with
at
you,
me.
bro. I'm telling you, I'm gonna knock your ass straight out, bro.
Look at me.
I
I'm right
promise
here.
you I am.
I am right here.
Whatever, sorry.
I have to check your shoes.
I didn't
Okay.
take my shit.
All right, have a seat, bro.
Okay. I should knock your ass out.
No? No, you shouldn't.
That's not the guy on the street you're talking. That's a totally different guy.
Following the arrest on March 13, 2025, the investigation rapidly expanded as detectives analyzed the sheer volume of illicit items recovered from Randy's vehicle during the early morning stop. The discovery of 361 grams of cocaine, $3,100 in cash, and extensive ammunition magazines transformed a routine traffic stop for improper lane usage into a major federal-level narcotics and firearms case. During his interrogation at the precinct, Randy's admission of ownership for the weapon components and narcotics solidified the state's prosecution. In court, the body camera footage documenting his brief physical confrontation with Officer Murphy easily secured the conviction for resisting arrest. Given his prior record, the judge applied the strict statutory guidelines for being an armed habitual criminal. Randy was ordered held without bond and was ultimately sentenced to a lengthy term in state prison, while all seized cash and firearm accessories were officially forfeited under asset forfeiture laws. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.